Look closely at this liquid. Those bubbles are the breath of a microscopic ecosystem. While most of us buy a bottle of kombucha for a quick health boost, seeing the process at this scale reveals the biological engine that makes the drink possible. For over 9,000 years, humans safely partnered with living microbes to preserve their harvests and nourish their communities. Today, however, that ancient collaboration feels foreign. The idea of leaving something out on the counter to deliberately culture bacteria triggers a modern anxiety. We traded our kitchen counters for assembly lines, treating food as a sterile, mass-produced product. We became passive buyers of functional beverages, completely detached from the living processes that create them. But stepping back into that role of creator doesn't require a laboratory or a degree in microbiology. You don't have to start with complex or finicky recipes to revive this lost skill. You only need a single, reliable starting point. That is exactly what makes kombucha so uniquely valuable. It provides a highly forgiving, visually clear, and incredibly safe environment. It is the perfect teacher to help you overcome hesitation and learn to read the signs of a healthy fermentation. To understand how resilient this culture is, we can trace its lineage back over 2 millennia. Records suggest this fermented tea was actively brewed during the Qin dynasty in ancient China, valued for its vitality. As trade routes expanded, the culture moved with them. It integrated deeply into surrounding regions, including Japan, where reverence for the brewing process helped solidify the name we recognize today. The brew continued its slow migration, eventually embedding itself into the rural households of Russia. Long before anyone knew the biology behind it, families kept continuous batches alive on their hearths, passing the culture down through generations as an everyday staple. It remained a quiet, domestic practice until the early 20th century. That is when researchers finally placed these passed-down cultures under a microscope and began to document the precise bacterial mechanics that these families had successfully managed for centuries. A living system that has successfully navigated the trade routes of antiquity, rural winters, and centuries of human history is incredibly robust. It is more than equipped to thrive safely on your modern kitchen counter. This stylized diagram breaks down the biological engine driving that resilience, the SCOBY. This symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast operates in a tight, self-sustaining loop. The yeast processes the sugars in the sweet tea, and the bacteria feed on those byproducts. As this loop accelerates, the culture aggressively drops the pH level of the sweet tea. This high acidity acts as a natural defense mechanism, creating a hostile liquid barrier that locks out harmful external pathogens and molds. You can actually watch this defense system in action. Within days, the culture builds a thick cellulose layer across the surface of the liquid. When you see that physical barrier form, you have immediate, clear confirmation that the ecosystem is healthy, active, and safe to consume. Watching this process unfold batch after batch teaches you the mechanics of the craft. You naturally learn how to balance the sugar, when to harvest based on timing, and how temperature dictates the speed of the brew. This data moves the process out of the realm of chance. You are directing the microbes' work through intentional environmental control. Consistent observation of this jar establishes a baseline of safety. The once intimidating concept of wild fermentation is now a repeatable, domestic science. The intuition you develop from brewing kombucha directly translates to other living foods. The exact same principles of environmental control allow you to safely culture milk kefir or water kefir with confidence. This branching skill tree illustrates how your capability grows. From that foundational kombucha jar, your understanding expands outward, giving you the practical logic to ferment raw vegetables, craft complex herbal tonics, and age your own vinegars. However, this entire progression relies on a single crucial factor: the strength of your starting point. You can only learn to read the signs of a healthy ferment if your initial culture is pure and robust enough to behave predictably. Your entire trajectory, from anxious beginner to confident creator, rests entirely on the quality of that very first culture you bring into your home. For over 2 decades, Hannah Rua McCrum, widely known as the mother of modern kombucha, has dedicated herself to ensuring homebrewers have exactly that reliable foundation. She has spent her career standardizing the craft and educating brewers globally. But commercial offshoots can be highly unpredictable. Kombucha Kamp removes this risk entirely by providing fully organic, heirloom cultures that have been DNA sequenced for purity and vigor. When you start with a verified, expert-backed culture, you eliminate the guesswork. You guarantee that your brew will actually deliver the physical benefits of true fermentation: gut support, digestive balance, and sustained vitality. The word SCOBY stands for symbiotic culture. Just as those bacteria and yeast rely entirely on one another to survive inside the jar, successful brewers thrive when they are part of a shared ecosystem. Choosing Kombucha Kamp plugs you directly into a global network of knowledge, with access to proven recipes, comprehensive guides, and a dedicated support system. You are never left to figure it out alone. You no longer have to pay premium prices for a watered-down, mass-produced bottle at the grocery store. You now possess the skills and the biological engine to create vibrant, living foods on your own terms. Go to kombuchakamp.com to secure your heirloom starter kit. Begin your first batch and reclaim your place in the cycle of fermentation.